A new day, a new video. I believe today is day 7. I haven't really done like a vlog style video in a couple of days. So I'm starting today off vlog style, and we're just gonna go through the day. You know, we got a truck that we're building today. We got a truck from South Carolina that's here that's super cool that we're gonna be building. May not get finished today, but you guys will see most of it. And like I said, it's, you know, I've been switching up the style of content over the last couple of days, and we're throwing it back to the vlog style today. This is the truck that we got in for today. 2022 GMC AT4, all blacked out. We're doing the all black 9-inch FTS. And then he brought some 26x14s, Archons, and 37s for us to put on it, which is super cool. Long bed, kind of skeptical there. And he's probably gonna be watching this like, dang, really, the long bed? But I did notice when they pulled it in last night that he's got the LED side markers, which is cool. But we're going black on black today. So should be a nice one. I'm really excited. It's been a week or two since we've done something like this. You know, you start getting into the winter months and things slow down, but we've still been cranking out some good stuff. Mr. Player from Louisiana was fun, and you know, we've definitely had a couple of nice builds come through, but I'm ready to get back to some 26s and 9-inch lifts. We got rose gold truck that's still up here. If you guys remember that rose gold truck that we built a couple of hell, probably a year ago now. Got this old, I don't know what model it is, 62, 67, 72, something like that, I don't know, but we'll go head to toe on this one when it gets finished up. We got some, a little bit more work to finish up on this one, and then we got some wheels and tires inside for it as well. Look, oh, it went away. I was gonna say my truck was up there. So they have started on the new Indy level lift, and that one currently is getting torn down. We're waiting on the drive shaft and the gearbox to come back, but the new Indy level lift has been started, and within the next, I would say before the first of the year, the next Indy level lift will be done. It's gonna be a 22 F-450 with some 28-inch copper JTX wheels, and it does have the super single in the front. This is the super single for the front, and then this is one of the rear dually wheels. I'll show you guys that a little bit more later. Got some cool wheels up here currently. Got some HD forged, the set of 2616 Forgiatos. We still got the fuel forged stuff up here. Jake's wheels are down here because his truck's in the shop. We got some KG1 dually wheels up here, some 26s. These have been here for a while. 26 KG1, set of 28-inch KG1s for sale. Price has dropped. I want to say they're about $5,500 now and not $65. These are actually for a customer that's for sale. So if you guys are interested in some 28-inch KG1s for a good deal, make sure you guys let me know. And then we've got a couple of sets of fuel wheels down here that are on a big deal as well. 2412s for $500 a piece. And then I know these 26s are like super cheap, like similar pricing as well. So if you guys see anything in the videos that you like, all the shop information is in the description below. Make sure you guys check it out. Dude, what else we got back here? I got the 2614 Archons in chrome. Got some tires back here. I'll be talking about these tires a little bit later. You guys will see these a lot more on the channel. Pretty excited about that. Some welds that have been back here for a long time. So got the 2616s from the Indy level lift. These are actually sold and going on another Indy level lift that we're doing. So we'll have more information on the first of the year. Sometime around the first of the year on this one is probably when we're starting on that one. So super excited to get those out the door onto a new truck. And then obviously we've got all the fuel forged stuff that's been here for a while. A couple of sets of JTX 26s, Really love the JTX wheels right now. They got a lot of awesome wheels. And then we have your Hostiles. Hostiles super nice wheel Hostile super nice wheel as well. I love the Hostiles. I ran Hostiles for a long time before I got my Ford Giottos. And then these are the US mags that are going on the single cab outside, which is super cool. Got gold wheels going on like that, what, bronzish, not bronzish, what, like a tan cream color single cab truck. 2214s in the rear. Freaking thick. His hair right now. Gotta tuck the wings in, fly away. Oh, we got a package from Cap King the other day. Rod hasn't seen these. I hope Rod watches my videos because I'm about to call him out. He keeps telling me he's gonna come up here and then he don't come up here. So I'm gonna let him see his caps on YouTube. Shout out Cap King. Ain't no way Cap King watches these videos though. I'm big like that. Kind of excited about this stuff. Florida boy. No, it's Perry boy. I don't remember what we put on these. Ooh. This is float though. Look.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. I thought he was from Louisiana though.
Rod? No.
Joe was supposed to be in Texas.
Freaking cool. Perry boy. What if they spelled it wrong?
Did they?
No.
Is it Perry?
Perry, yeah. It's Cap.
Or nobody knows Perry's before.
All Cap. Got something cool that I wanna stay. Don't go into the rain though, but I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Best idea I've had in a long time. Freaking baller, bro.
There is somebody out there. That's a beard gang.
The guy that
Beard gang?
46 by 16.
That's Jake's thing. Cash. This is the best $20 I've ever spent. Here.
All right, we probably need a different box than the Ford Giottos.
Yeah, probably not the Ford Giotto box, but you get the point. Here. Or we could put it on the doorbell. Steph Curry in there. Did you see the video of Steph Curry?
Oh, word. He's probably got a stereo on by your face. Oh, word.
Cash. One thing I've noticed about the gold wrap is the gold doesn't really look dirty ever. Even, I mean, it's been raining for the last couple of days and the gold from far away never looks dirty, but the black shows every bit of it. The wheels have been staying pretty clean too, which is nice. I need to do a better job. I need to take them off and actually clean the insides one day. But look, the gold doesn't look dirty on camera, but then you come back here to the black and you can just see how nasty the black is, but even the gold, when you can't really tell unless you just really get up close to it. But either way, I've been super happy over the last week or two since I've gotten the wrap, and I should have some lights coming in the next couple of days, which is super exciting. We got the GMC finished up for TJ today, and I know that he's gonna be super excited to see it. We've been planning this one for a little while now. We got him hooked up with the 9-inch Mcgaughys kit. Gotta have the Mcgaughys kit, that black with billet accents. Best lift kit on the market by far. Huge fan, you guys know that. 24x14 Archons, I can never remember the Archon names. I'm terrible about the names with the Archons. And then you gotta have the Nitto tires. What are you doing back here? It still smells like burnt rubber back here. That's me. I love the red wheels on it. Looks good. TJ's got a lot done to this truck, so he's got different headlights on it. I see the blacked out emblem on the front.
as well. So we got the blacked out GMC, we got the aftermarket headlights. I don't know what kind of headlights he has in it, to be honest. Got the, I haven't seen this in a while. This was popular when I was in high school, but still a good look. Got the light bar up top. I've heard that they whistle a little bit. Is that true? Drop a comment below and let me know. The 24x14 Archons with the 355/40 24 Nitto Trail Grappler. It's kind of the smaller version of the 375, but it still gives the same look. And this one's more of like a 35x14, where mine's like a 36x15. But like I said, it still gives that same look of the 375, and it is my favorite tire of all time, that Nitto Trail Grappler. Only other big thing going on with this truck that I need to make sure that you guys know is he's got a set of those quad row JW wheel lights that so many people have been absolutely in love with. They are one of the brightest lights on the market right now, and I've been super pleased with them, to be honest with you. I think they're a great brand, great quality, and I've been trying to support my guy over here at the shop. So JW Motorsports, make sure you guys hit JW up and show some love to the business. TJ, I love the truck, love the gray 2414s in the Mcgaughys kit. It looks beautiful.
Yeah, baloney nipples, you with the camera.
Baloney nipples?
Yeah, see. Come on, man, I got some work for you to do. I ain't got time for this
Trying to show some love to my Tundra fans out here. We did some front end work on this Tundra. Now, we didn't do the lift kit, so I don't know much about it, but I know that it's got a lift kit and some 22s, and we put some Toyos on the front. And I love the Toyo RT, beautiful tire, but I wanted to make sure to throw this on the channel and show some love to my Tundra fans. I know you guys love when I throw the Tundras or the Tacomas in the videos. I know you guys like the Rams and stuff too, so I try and throw some of that into the videos for you guys, but I mainly wanted to look at this one, this F-150 with the, it's like Rhino line. It's got that like gray Rhino line, which is super nice. Always been a big fan of it. We did a set of wheels and tires and a lift kit on it a while back, so it's just back for a rotating balance, but super cool. I mean, it's got definitely got a different look to it than I see. It's got the off-road bumpers, front and rear, the headache rack, and the grill. What? You look cute. All right, I'm coming. Cash. It must be payday today.
No.
It must be payday today. Oh, jeez. Whip that one. Hey, look, this is what we're gonna do. Michael Smith. You're not gonna see this until the video's done, but you'll find out about this tomorrow. You get 3 shots, all right? How much should we say? We're gonna do $10 a shot?
20, bro.
20 a shot?
20, bro.
Well, you think we put it on the Ford Giotto thing and have him stay right here?
Yeah.
Brandon's gonna be pissed. Just to show you it's doable, 20 bucks a shot. If you make one, you get 20 bucks off your bill. If you make 2,
50 bucks.
you get
50.
40 bucks off the bill. If you make all 3, 100 bucks off the bill. I'm doing it, screw it. And I'll probably end up having to pay for it because Brandon's probably not gonna be happy about it, but I don't think you can do it anyway. Because I definitely can't. Challenge is for you. 3 shots, $100. Let's get this bread. Or you can get this bread technically off your bill. Cash. Oh, hang on.
The energy to do this with you, man. Barely going to hold my head up.